Welcome to Price Action Real Traders. Today I'm going to show you how to trade with candlestick analysis. So today is another new video on how to trade with candlestick analysis. Before we start, the risk warning. Your capital might be at risk. Don't trade with money that you cannot afford to lose. And this video is not an investment advice. So here I see opportunity, but because of the volatility, market brought me down. But you see close in the money, so that's why I place my trade here. All the market are not very nice because of the volatility, so but no problem. Let's try and analyze the market very well before we take trade. Here is the retracement. This is the retracement candle. The major trend is down, and we are far away from 50 MA, so I don't think market will reach this level. Market must consolidate here. Yes, you see, very fast. It's too fast, so let's see if market go little bit higher. I'll place my trade higher. Yes, I place my trade. Very nice. I place my trade put option here because I know market must consolidate at this level, because we are far away from 50 EMA. So before market reach this level, it must consolidate or it will reverse, either to consolidate or to reverse. So you see, very strong sellers entry. That's why I place my trade put option at this level. You see, you see another winning trade. So let's analyze. But today market is not so nice, so you have to be very, very careful to get good entry point, otherwise you will be losing trade. Here is consolidation area. If I get lower entry point, I will place my trade call option. No, market is very fast, so I will wait. And this is the level here. You see, market reverse. Market is forming triangle. Yes, this is symmetrical triangle. Market is forming symmetrical triangle. So now, yes, if I get rejection from the trend line, if market go bit lower below trend line, I'll place my trade below trend line. Below, it's not going, I'll place put, because I know this candle market must consolidate. It will not create green candle from this level. At least it will create weak red candle here. If I get opportunity here, I will place my trade, and if I get opportunity here, I will place my trade. Because of this triangle and the consolidation area, you see green, red, green, red, green, red. So that's why I know if I get you see, this is the win trade. If I get entry point here, I would have pressed call option, but I couldn't get. So maybe now market is trying to break the triangle. So this is the end of this trading. I will stop trading from now, because you can see the market is not nice. It's not very nice. It's moving very, very fast, so you have to be careful on this type of market. So I didn't make any video for about 5 days because of the network. I don't have good network to trade. Only today I see the network is like good. That's why I try. I traded 3 trades. So let me explain. The first trade here, I was expecting 1, 2, 3 white soldiers and rejection, and closed below 20 MA, and you see gave up. I tried to enter at this level. Market brought me down here, but it's still winning trade, close in the money. So that's why I placed my trade, because of these 3 white soldiers and rejection and gave up. So that's why I placed my trade put option at this level. So here the next trade, this one, if you look this area carefully, you can see market is trying to consolidate at this level, because the distance, anytime you see you are far away from this EMA, are far away from each other, you see it's too far, so you should expect ranging at this level. Here too far, ranging or full back, you see too far. You see consolidation area, you see here too far, you see full back, too far, consolidation reverse, too far, consolidation reverse. So that's why I know definitely market will reverse, because you are, if the EMAs are far away, before it reaches this EMA, it will take time. So after this you see rejection, rejection, rejection. So you know market will not reach this. If you have trend like this, like this, like this, like this, so you should expect market to reach this EMA. But here you see this is the reversal pattern, but the next candle is weak, and the third candle also weak and close below 20 EMA. So that's why I know market definitely will reverse from this level. So the last trade here, the last trade here, you see this is the consolidation area again. So anytime you see market started green from here, market started green, then red, then green, then red, then when I see green, so I'll expect red candle, and it closed exactly at this 1 deviation Bollinger. So that's why I know definitely, and it's rejected from 20 MA, close at Bollinger. So I know definitely sellers must enter. So that's why I place my trade put option at this level. So this is the end of this video. If you like this my video, please like it, share and comment. I will say thank you, bye bye.